God of Thunder!
King Yakan!
You have finally joined our fight.
Well, as they say, better late than not at all.
It is very nice. As you know, we used to live in a peaceful oasis, but then our gods were murdered.
Murdered?
And now our sacred temple has been left unguarded, and Hokuskus holds the control of its power. It is our most sacred shrine, and he desecrates.
Not for long. King Yakan, tell them what happened here today. Tell of the time that Thor, his ragtag motley crew, misfit desperados, turned the tide in the battle and etched their names in history. The odds may be against us, but I'll tell you this for free.
Here it comes.
This ends here and now!
Oh!
Mjolnir, hit one! Mjolnir? Mjolnir! You're back. Mjolnir!
So that's the ex-girlfriend, is it?
The old ex-girlfriend,
Jodie Foster.
Jane Foster.
The one that got away.
The one that got away.
That means escaped.
Yeah.
Must be hard for you to see your ex-girlfriend and your ex-hammer hanging out and getting on so well. What you up to, bro?
Go to daddy.
No, Neil.
Hey, there you are. Hey. I was just calling you. They're in the Shadow Realm.
How'd you know?
The atmosphere there has a darkness like no other. It's as if color fears to tread. It's unmistakable.
Well then, if it's color we need, let's bring the rainbow.
Bring the rainbow. Is that a catchphrase or something?
She's only been a Thor for a minute. I mean, saving lives she's quite good at, but the rest of it, she needs work.
How many catchphrases have there been?
A lot.
Yep, jump the gun.
But hang on, he moves through shadows and he's going to the Shadow Realm. It seems like that's where he's going to be the most powerful.
You're right. We can't just go marching in there. It could be a trap.
Are you thinking what I think you're thinking?
I'm thinking it.
What are we thinking?
Thinking
I'm
what?
thinking it too.
Omnipotency.
Si el contenido es de su agrado, por favor suscríbanse a mi canal, dejen un like y activen la campanita para enterarse de cada video nuevo que subo. Además, tengo cuenta en Instagram, y ya que habilitaron para todo el mundo el nuevo sticker llamado enlace, voy a poder avisarles y compartir en mis historias cada video nuevo que suba. Ahora sí, sin nada más que decir, me despido. No les robo más tiempo, soy Chris Life y nos vemos.